how to host image on Facebook and use that image in your post. All right, for example, if the stories that you publish on Facebook, the image that they send to you, you can actually use the image on your post. So this new partnership that we already agreed, will be using in order to achieve that concept of bringing the client from your fans from your Facebook page to always create interaction on your site. This is exactly what we want to do. So first is, when they send you that story and the picture that they send you, before you publish the story on Facebook, this is what you do. You first of all take the picture and publish it on your own on your album, on your Facebook album. For example, these are my pictures that I publish on my Facebook album. So what I will do is, for example, I want to assume you already know how to publish pictures on your Facebook album and all that. So now, assuming this is the picture that was sent to me that I want to use, for example, you are the one that want to use, and I want to use this picture on my post, instead of going to post it again, instead of going to upload the picture on my site again. So what I do is to click on the picture, then I will right click it. When I right click it, it will bring some options. Then the option that you will copy is the copy image location. So click on the copy image location, and boom, you've already copied the image. So now you want to use that image to post the story that has been sent to you. You are not going to be posting the story on the Facebook directly, so you'll be posting the story on your blog, because I have created a category, as you can see, inspiring marriage stories. So I've created that, and I've also created that on the page. So what you do now is you create a post. For example, in your blog, I've already created something like a post. I wanted just to use it as a demo. So image uploading demo. So now that image that has been copied, all right, from your Facebook, we want to use it on our post. So what you do now is to click on the add media, as if you want to upload images, and these are actually the images that you've uploaded before, but now we want to use that image from Facebook. So the option you are going to click, sorry, is insert from URL. So when you click insert from URL, it gives you this option, all right, to put the URL. But this http column / is already in the link that you want to copy, so that you copied already. So you have to delete this. Then what you do is you just right click and you see paste. All right, and when you see paste, you can see the image is already here. Of course, you can still use Ctrl V to bring to paste it there also. So now you see that the image is already here. So the image is hosted on Facebook, and now we are using it. So you scroll down. So you want to know the position that you want the image to align. So you can choose none. You can also choose that, okay, maybe you want the image to be on the center. So now we could say, okay, you want it on the right, on the left. So now let's actually want to make it on the center. So we click center and we click insert. So when you click insert, the image is already on your site, but it's a little big. All right, for example, this one that I'm uploading is a little big. So let's assume the image that they've been sent to you also is big, and you want to make it smaller. So what you do is to click on the image. So it shows you some little icon here, and what you just need to do, go to this edge, this icon that at the edge here, then just drag it up. All right, so you can see. So once you drag it up, then you click on it again, you see another one. Then just like drag it up. So now you can see, then you can click this. All right, so until it gives you the size of image, very simple, until it click, it gives you the size of image, that the size that you feel will be okay and it will be nice. So now let's assume I drag it down a bit. So let's assume this size is okay, all right, that we want to use. I've uploaded it on the center, so I could choose to put it right at the edge, at the left hand side. So now the image is already there, and you put it on the first. So now I just want to put the article. So I've already included the title of the story here. For example, this is just a demo. So now I just need to press like enter. All right, when I press enter, so that I could paste the article, this just like you want to paste articles. So let's assume this is just the article. I just copy it. For example, just copy this, and this is just the article. And now if I paste the article here, All right, so this is the article. So now let's assume this is the story that I want that the client, that your fan has sent to you, that he wants you to share on Facebook. So now this is the story. So now you just paste this full story, all right, on the page, on your post, as if you're making a new post. All right, so now it's already there, but always remember to make sure that write it on document first before posting, so that you can also, there should be paragraphs. You have to try and paragraph some of these most of these stories and your write-up, so that it will be very pleasant for them to read. Now you click on blog. You want the story to be on the blog, then you click on these inspiring stories, marriage stories. So these are the two. Of course, you could want to, if you want it to be on marriages also, good. So you can put it on these three categories when you are publishing stories. Then when you are publishing only article, you could put it on this blog and this inspiring story. So perhaps I could decide not to put it. I've already unchecked it, so I could decide not to put it on this marriage, because it's already on your main blog, and also this inspiring story. So the choice is where you want the story to come. All right, it's yours. You can click on any of the category, but I think the most two important category is the blog and this inspiring category, so that people could read. If those your fans that want to read only inspiring stories could click on the inspiring story page and read only stories about marriage and nothing else. All right, so now that if this has been done, you just need to click publish. Okay, for example, before we publish, we want to preview it. All right, but of course I won't publish it so that they don't go on air, so I'm using it for demo. So now I've clicked preview, so we could see so we could see exactly how it will look like, for example. All right, so we could see how it will look like. So now this is how it will look like. All right, so this is how it will look like. Okay, this is the story, this is the image, then this is the story. Okay, this is the story, for example. Of course, you could always work on the paragraph so they could make it look good. So now this is it. Okay, all right, so I will not publish it because I'm using it, like I said, as a demo. So let's assume we've already published it. So we've already published it, and this is exactly what it is. So we've already published it, and this is the article. So now the next in the next video, because I don't want this video to be long, in the next video I will be showing you now how you are going to demo it directly from how you are going to be pulling your client, your fans, from Facebook with this article that you have written straight to your site to read the article. All right, so until the next video, stay blessed.